Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start a video. First of all, click on camera app. Now here click on 5x zoom and move the camera. Your focus issue is solved. So if it not working, so click and hold the screen, camera focus is working. So if it not working, so go to portrait and again go back. If it working, so that's not working, go back and 1 2 3 times in out in out in out the camera. So if it not working, so reset your phone. So volume button and power button, so click the button, so power off the phone. After the restarting, enter your phone key, click on camera, your camera focus is working. So if it not working, so click on settings. Now in settings click on general. Now here click on software update. Now here you have not updating software latest, so update your software latest. After the updating, your camera is focus is working. If it not working, so again go to settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings. Now here enter your phone key, reset all settings. It's just reset all settings, it's not delete your phone data. So after the restarting, your camera focus is working. So that's how you can fix camera not focus issue in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.